Do you buy goods and services and any items in Amazon? And this is the right video for you. I will show you how to save money in Amazon, how to use coupons. And if you're using a browser to shop in Amazon, what you could do is you could go to your account, right? So you go to account, and then right over here, if you come all the way to this corner, there's coupons, right? And then these are the coupons, like save up to $80. So you could just click the coupons, and during the checkout you just use those coupons and then save money like that. And you could also search for the products right here. There's a search box. Let's say I want to buy something from Nike. I'll just enter Nike, and then that gives me all those goods. They are on sale from Nike. And then if I do click show more coupons, that'll give me all the coupons that are available for the Nike, right? Let's say I want to buy this shoe, I get 10% off. Whatever you are interested in, you just search for it. Let's say I want something, um, let's say iPhone. Let's say if there's any coupons for iPhone. There's no coupon, so it has to be available for you. Let's edit as type correctly. There's nothing. Let's say Puma. Okay, there's some for Puma. So yeah, you just have to have patience and search for the brand of your choice, and then there is a coupon that you could click and then shop. Enjoy, save some money, and there are more to the coupons. The first section is going to be the most popular coupons, and you can scroll through, and then the search bar, you could search for the brand that you like to buy, and if there's any sale or if they're giving any coupons, you could use them. And then if you're looking for the smart home, you could use this portion over here. And if you want to subscribe and save, if you're using any product in daily basis, you could save money like that too, right? During the checkout, it'll give all this percentage discount. All right, make sure you clip them and then use them. And just to clip on, you just click on clip, and that's already clipped. So during the checkout, will automatically get applied to you. All right. And yeah, there are other products, electronics. These are renewed one, and then yeah, and on the back of the top, this is how you shop in Amazon like a pro, save money, and enjoy. And another section that you save money from the browser version is also if you click on today's deal, and then you will actually see all these clearance deal in Amazon, right? Whatever you're looking for, you search by their departments, and then you'll see all this clearance. They're on sale. You need to have patience, go through them, and then save some money. All right, and I believe you could also filter them by low price. Low to high, high to low, whatever discount, low to high discount. So this is the lowest over here. Let's say I want to do high to low price. This is what I get. And you can also sort by the deals, electronics, back to office, back to school, kitchen, furniture, TVs, whatever you're looking for. Make sure you come to today's deal, and then you shop over here. These are clearance in Amazon, all right? And then the second part I already showed it to you is actually clicking on coupons and clipping them and then using them, right? And you can also search for the brands right here. And I hope this helps. And if this video helped you in any way, please leave a like, leave some comments, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.